Why do sprouted seeds suddenly dry out? Complete guide. Hello, plant lovers. If your seeds have sprouted well but suddenly dried out and died, don't worry. Today, we'll explore the reasons behind this issue and how to prevent it. Sudden seedling death or damping off. After planting seeds, sudden drying of sprouted seedlings is a common issue. Sometimes, within a short period and without any visible symptoms, the delicate sprout emerging from the seed collapses and dies. The primary cause of this sudden death is fungal diseases. As we know, fungi thrive in warm and highly humid environments, which are the exact conditions required for seed germination. Additionally, during the germination process, fungi may absorb nutrients from the seed or the surrounding soil, allowing them to grow and spread more quickly. Given the high risk of fungal infections, which can include a wide range of fungal diseases, it is recommended to use disinfected seeds or treat them with a fungicide before planting to reduce the likelihood of infection. In the case of vegetable seeds such as cucumber or squash, where the risk of damping off is high, many farmers coat their seeds with fungicide before sowing as a preventive measure. Another method is to apply fungicide to the soil surface in the planting area to help prevent fungal growth. In other methods, after planting, seeds can be watered with a fungicide solution to disinfect them. If the planted seeds show signs of fungal disease after germination, such as yellowing, wilting, or if we know the conditions are favorable for fungal infections, they can be mist-sprayed with fungicide several times. It is important to note that the better the soil drainage, the lower the risk of these diseases. For example, heavy soils can be improved by adding sand, perlite, or vermicompost and well-decomposed manure to enhance drainage. Regarding damping off, it is essential to maintain balanced watering, as both overwatering, which creates a swampy condition, and underwatering can have a negative impact on seedlings. Seedling drying due to irregular watering. Irregular watering can also cause seedlings to dry out, leading to sudden death. It is important to keep a consistent watering schedule to avoid both excess moisture and dryness. As you know, seedlings are very delicate, and before they emerge from the soil, it is crucial to maintain consistent moisture in the soil. After emerging from the soil, the seedling needs adequate moisture, based on the plant type, until it develops enough leaves and strength to sustain itself. It is natural that irregular watering or long periods of soil dryness will eventually damage the roots and cause the seedling to dry out. Drying due to lack of moisture and heat is a significant reason for the sudden drying of sprouted seeds, which is commonly observed in both garden and home planting activities. Low light. Most seeds, especially vegetable and fruit seeds, require direct sunlight to grow properly. If they don't receive enough sunlight, they become leggy, with long stems and thin, yellow leaves. Eventually, the seedlings will dry out and die, either due to insufficient light or because their weak growth, caused by a lack of light, makes them susceptible to damage. When it comes to weak seedlings, placing them suddenly in direct sunlight after being in low light conditions can also cause them to dry out quickly. They haven't adapted to such intense light and need to be gradually exposed to more light until they can withstand several hours of sunlight, provided the seedlings haven't been severely damaged yet. It is recommended to plant seeds in sunny locations from the start. Seeds of plants like basil, cabbage, cress, lettuce, cucumber, squash, eggplant, and tomato do not perform well in low light and may not survive. An interesting point about light is that pests and diseases tend to attack seedlings and plants that don't receive enough light because these plants have weaker and more vulnerable tissues. Poor quality of planted seeds. In conclusion, the quality and freshness of seeds can also play a role in the sudden drying of sprouted seeds. The stronger and healthier the seed, the more resistant it will be to environmental conditions and stress, which helps reduce failure rates. However, keep in mind that even if you plant the best and highest quality seeds, you won't achieve the desired results if the environmental conditions are not suitable or if watering is inconsistent. Proper care and maintenance are just as important as seed quality in ensuring successful growth. To prevent sprouted seeds from drying out suddenly, follow these steps. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Maintain a temperature between 18 to 25 degrees Celsius 64 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Provide indirect and controlled light. Ensure proper ventilation to prevent diseases. Use fresh, high-quality seeds and provide proper nutrients. What do you think? Have you ever faced this issue? Share your experiences in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like the video so more people can see this guide. Share it with your friends so they can benefit too. Don't forget to subscribe. We post new plant care tutorials every week. Share your experience in the comments. Have you ever faced sudden seedling drying? What did you do?